Welcome to the dazzling heart of the desert, the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. As night falls, this iconic boulevard transforms into a glowing river of neon lights and endless energy. From towering hotels to legendary casinos, every building shines brighter than the last. The colorful neon signs flicker and dance, creating a skyline unlike anywhere else in the world. Visitors from every corner of the globe walk these vibrant streets, surrounded by music, excitement, and unforgettable sights. Every step along the strip feels like entering a different world, filled with luxury, entertainment, and lights that never sleep. From the glowing marquees to the sparkling fountains and giant digital displays, the Las Vegas Strip truly comes alive at night. This is the city of lights, the city of dreams, where the night is always young and the neon glow never fades. Welcome to Las Vegas.
Snow pressing at the glass, time moving slow at last. If tomorrow comes too fast, we'll say it can wait. This is the year we stayed up late. Stockings hanging unevenly, names stitched in red and perfectly. Kettle humming low and steady like it knows when hearts are ready. Somewhere down the street, a choir singing thin but reaching higher, breath in clouds beneath the stars, walking home from parked cars. Hear the crunch below. Footsteps in the snow. This is the